Hey guys, I'm Jacqueline from actionjacqueline.com and welcome to my YouTube channel where I help you feel amazing in your own body, skin, and mind. And today I have Jordan from Life in General. They are the experts in organizing your home, which means that they are organizing your life. And part of having a healthy mind is having a beautiful, organized space to live in, right?
100%.
So today I'm showing you tips, or Jordan actually is going to be showing you tips on how to organize all of your workout clothes. So if you're like me and you love your leggings and you love your bras and your tanks and all that other stuff, he's going to show us the best ways to put it away in your drawers, how to organize, how to fold, how to just make your life feel like heaven. So let's get in there and start organizing. All right, tip number one is using a correct folding technique, which was mind-blowing to me.
All right, so this is a folding technique we like to use for sports bras. So first you'll fold in this way, and then this way. Then you tuck all the straps down, and then one more fold to make it super neat.
Look at that. So then you put it into your drawer like this. So then how would you fold these?
Okay. So with folding leggings, we'll fold once in half, grab the bottom. Depending on the type of legging, we'll sometimes tuck the little back in. Fold it here once, and then another time. I know you get that same clean line that we did with the sports bra.
Okay, so you always want to fold it and file it away,
yes,
up and down.
So also what I said earlier about the drawer depth, sometimes we might even go one more.
Oh. Okay.
But the key is to be able to see every single pair of leggings you own, like we have.
Right here. So I would have it like here, and then.
Yep, you put it right back into that spot.
I'm trying to practice my putting away techniques. Like this, right?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay, this is mind-blowing to me because I always put leggings, well, actually I just probably stuff them in, and that's usually how I put them away, so this is a whole new world for me. Tip number 2, you're gonna categorize your clothes by style and by brand.
So Jacqueline's always on the go, always trying to grab some workout clothes really quickly. I feel like you said you always need to be prepared to do a handstand at some point or another.
That's why I don't have many skirts.
So we wanted to make everything super accessible, and if she's gonna go for her favorite brand of yoga pants, we want them to all be together in one place. So we'll categorize by style and by brand. So workout tanks together, workout tops together, workout shorts into workout leggings.
And we also talked about categorizing them by purpose as well. So, you know, if the purpose of like some of the lounge shirts like are very athleisure, so the purpose of that shirt is to just be worn as a lounge shirt, not as a workout shirt. So thinking about how they're going to be used as well, which I thought was a great tip.
Exactly. And how accessible you actually need the item.
So tip number 3 is to organize your workout leggings by legging length.
Yes, so depending on whether you want a 3/4 length or a full length or even shorts. You want to start with shorts and then go into 3/4 length into leggings. So you'll have them all separated by style, so it's super easy to grab something specific.
Tip number 4 is color code, and I have been watching Jordan and the team from Life in General just create everything in a color-coded manner, which I found, which was really interesting. It made me realize where I have a lot of, like I have a lot of black pants, I have a lot of a certain color of things, and it shows where I could, maybe add different colors into my wardrobe, which I thought was really interesting.
100%, yeah, and of course it obviously looks super aesthetically pleasing. Who doesn't love a color-coded drawer? But at the same time, it is a lot more functional than just aesthetic. You actually see how many pairs of black jeans, how many pairs of colored leggings, which you might want more of, or just what mood you're in that day.
More pink mood, more blue mood. Yeah, and he told me that before we started organizing, and then it really wasn't until I saw them all laid out by color that I really understood the concept. So I definitely encourage you guys to color code your leggings and your bras and everything else. Okay, those were the 4 tips that Jordan had. Thank you so much for sharing that.
Of course, anytime.
That was amazing. Give us a thumbs up if you liked that video, and definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel and let us know how your organizing experience went. Leave comments below. I can't wait to see your color-coded, beautiful leggings in your drawers at home. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.